Hello, today I'm going to go over Boyle's law calculations. And it talks about Boyle's law here. And what these are formulas that are used to describe behaviors of, in this case, gases, okay, and how gases behave. And we see Boyle's law here. What happens is if I have a certain amount of gas, that's the red dots here, and I increase the volume. So I give that gas more space to move around. So I increase the volume. That means I'm going to decrease the pressure. Opening up more space means less collisions against the sides of the container. So increase volume, decrease the pressure. Conversely, if I pack that same gas into a tighter space, so I decrease the volume, well, that means more collisions against the side of the container, and that increases the pressure. These are what are called inversely proportional. When one goes up, the other goes down. When one goes down, the other goes up, vice versa. So here's the formula that we're using. It's actually very simple. P1, V1, pressure 1, volume 1, equals pressure 2, volume 2. You can think of this as like the starting conditions and then the changed conditions after we increased the volume or decreased the volume. So here are my sample problems, and you just have one missing variable. So you're going to set this up just in a very simple algebraic formula. So following this, my P1, I have X, V1 is 3, equals P2, and V2, which is 5. And you just solve for X now, right? Pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna have 3X equals 10, divide both sides by 3. X equals, this comes out to 3.333 infinity. We're just gonna round to one digit here. So 3.3 is fine, or the tens place. Let's do this next one. And you'll see it's set up the same, but now I'm looking for a different variable. Now I'm looking for V1, okay? So I have 0.9 times X equals 1.5 times 2. 0.9X equals 1.5 times 2 is 3. Divide both sides by 0.9. And when you do that, this comes out actually the exact same. That was totally by accident. It comes out the exact same, 3.3333333. So here it is actually 3.3 again. That was a mistake. I'm not saying it won't happen again. It just happened to be the numbers that I put in there. Do that, the same thing for each one of these. Each one has a different variable that you are solving for. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.